Okay, right now I am not yet there, but I have been hearing news about what's been happening there.
Opo.
Yung dalawa po naming abogado, ayaw po papasukin doon. Ang gusto lang ni ni General Patay or Colonel Patay is mag-swap. Kung ano yung lawyers na lalabas, yun lang yung number of lawyers na makapasok. Yung
Okay.
tungkol naman po sa mga members,
Opo.
hindi na ho sila pinapapasok. Yung iba po natutulog na lang sa daan.
Mhm.
Tapos hindi po totoo na nagva-violence yung mga members po. They have
Opo.
allowed the police to enter the compound. They have allowed the police to enter the compound. They have allowed the police to search the premises. In fact, they have searched the Jose Maria College 13 times already
Okay.
as of yesterday.
Mhm.
And then now, nagja-jackhammer na po sila sa basement ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ na Jose Maria College.
Okay.
According to them, may naririnig daw silang heartbeat.
Heartbeat.
But I don't know how they will be able to do that. Nagja-jackhammer sila ngayon doon and hindi nila pinapapasok pati mga council ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ doon sa JMC.
Wala kayong legal remedies to prevent yung pag-jackhammer dun sa loob?
Ngayon lang po, nag-open ang courts.
Okay.
So, ngayon, we are only able to do things now. For the past 3 days, they have been doing things with impunity. They have closed off the entire
Compound?
lanes. The entire compound is closed off.
Okay.
Hindi na ho makapasok ang mga members without pahintulot nila.
Okay.
And they have not been allowing members to come in. Pwede lumabas, pero hindi na pwede pumasok. Kagabi po, hindi nila pinapasok yung pagkain na pinadala ni Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte para sa mga members sa loob.
Aha.
Okay. Sa ngayon po ba, attorney, as we speak, kasi marami hong mga pulis, sabi nga parang shifting na sila at nasa 2,000 ang pulis, ano? Gaano pa ho karami ang mga miyembro na narariyan po sa loob ng compound ng KOJC?
Supposed to be po, mga around 3,000 people ang nasa loob ng compound. But like I
madami
said,
rin.
because that is their residence.
Opo.
Aside from the fact that there is a school and there is a cathedral inside.
Okay.
So, there are 3,000 residents pero hindi ko na po alam ilan po ang nasa loob ngayon kasi makalabas nga sila ba't hindi na makapasok.
Yung mga hinuli ho, may hakbang kayo para mapakawalan din sila? Ito ba'y may nalabag ho, Attorney Puentes, sa tingin ninyo?
Kasi nga ho, they have been doing things with impunity. They have been arresting people. Tinitear gas po nila ang mga tao. 3 times na po sila nag-tear gas. 4 a.m. on August when they first entered. And then, the other day at around 11 p.m. And then yesterday at around 3 a.m. nag-tear gas po sila. Ginamit din po nila yung LRAD ng sandali. Yung LRAD po is yung nakakabingi po. And they have 2 LRADs scheduled. They have 2 LRADs that are on the area.
Okay.
One on each side of the compound.
So dahil ngayon lang pong araw bukas ang korte, punta kayo to question all of this ikangay action and activities ng ating PNP po, Attorney Puentes?
Yes po.
Okay. Pero for the record, alam nyo ho, attorney, for a fact na wala ho talaga sa compound si Pastor Apollo Quiboloy?
Wala silang hinahanap doon?
Okay. Ganito po ang masasabi ko sa inyo. The last time I talked to Pastor was in March. I cannot remember. And we gave him his options. And after that, I did not see him anymore from March up to now in the compound whenever I am inside. So, I can say with certainty that I have never seen him inside.
Okay. Attorney, balikan ko lang yung sinabi ninyo. You gave him options. Ano hong ibig sabihin nun?
We told him everything that he is allowed to do. And it is up to him to choose whether or not what he wants to do with it. But again, because there is a rendition, an extraordinary rendition pending against him, he has chosen the option that he thinks is best for him.
So ngayon, sa paliwanag niyo, Attorney Puentes, malaya po na nakaagalaw sa loob ang mga pulis at walang pangaharang o panggigipit na mula sa mga miyembro?
Wala po. In fact po, sila po ang nagigipit. There are areas that we cannot go into. Like hinarang po nila ang Jose Maria College compound. That is why we had to suspend classes for 1 week starting today. Hindi mo makaskwela ang mga bata kasi nagja-jackhammer nga sila and nobody can enter except the police.
Mhm.
Pati
Okay.
sa cathedral po kahapon, pumasok po sila. Nandoon po yung mga injured namin kasi nga po, hindi na po makapasok hindi na makapasok pati yung aming mga medical doctors.
Mhm.
Hindi nila pinapapasok.
Okay.
May evidence yung hawak ang PNP, video daw ho, na sinasaktan ng mga membro yung sarili nila at ibibintang sa mga pulis, Attorney Puentes.
I don't think so, sir. These people are truthful. As far as I have known them since 2021, these people are truthful, honest, God-fearing. And if you see their compound, it's very, very, very clean. They are clean in thought, word, and deed. I do not think that they will do that.
Okay.
But as to the police, we have seen their past record. So I cannot say the same for the police.
Okay, pero meron ho kasing sa hanay naman po ng pulis, nagkaroon ng 14 stitches, no, nabugbog, no, ng ilang pong mga sinasabing miyembro. Nagkaroon ho ba kayo ng pagkakataon na makausap po yung mga sinasabing ng bumbog dun sa mga pulis naman? Kasi may mga nagpapasimuno daw ng gulo, namamato pa at
Pati
mga
silya.
silya,
Oo.
no? Kahit nagpapatupad po yung pulis ng maximum tolerance.
I do not know anything about that kung may nabugbog na police. Ang alam ko po, marami pong na-tear gas sa mga members ng KOJC.
Wala din daw mga naka-face tear gas na mask, no? Kaya parang imposible di umano na mag-tear gas ang pulis.
Hindi ho totoo yun.
Aha.
In fact, the Central 911 of Davao City was able to go inside the compound after I had to ask permission from the police guarding the compound na ipapasok sila.
Okay.
They were able to treat people with tear gas inhalation po. Now,
Oo.
kung hindi ho yan totoo, hindi ko na po alam.
Attorney Puentes, aware ho ba kayo na may tunnel? Kasi yun ang target po, ano?
bunker.
May bunker o may tunnel sa loob at hindi aalis talaga ang mga pulis nang hindi
Maserve.
nakukuha. Nasaserve yung warrant of arrest ni Pastor Kibuloy.
Nagja-jackhammer na nga ho sila sa ilalim ng JMC ngayon.
Oh.
Ewan ko po kung may makikita silang tunnel o bunker dyan po. Hindi ko po alam yan because I have never seen a bunker or a tunnel inside JMC. But again, this is what the police are saying. So let's see. As of now po, talagang hindi kami makapasok doon.
Okay. Attorney Puentes, siguro malaki maitutulong nyo po para mapanatili pa rin yung kapayapaan. Ano? Ano hong mensahe nyo sa mga miyembro nitong KOJC?
To all the members of the KOJC, stand fast, hold strong, keep the faith. And please exercise maximum tolerance as you have been exercising the past few days.
Okay.
Alright. Salamat
Maraming
po.
salamat po. Ingat
Thank
po.
you very
Salamat.
much.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Egan and Connie. Bye-bye.
Attorney Diana Tolentino Fuentes, Legal Counsel po ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ o KOJC.